Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add timestamps in your YouTube video. And this is very simple. Guys, if you see it just right here, you have chapters and I call them timestamps, and I want to implement this in my video. So if you can see it just right here, story 1, story 2, story 3 with the nice size in the bar. Guys, we can do that by one simple thing. Fill in the time where you want to start your video at, then tap on space. You can add a midline if you want that, or you can delete a midline, but it's important to use one space at least, and then write down the title of the timestamp that you want to add. Alright, if you want to add another timestamp, then do enter and do it again for that same timestamp. This is the way how you can do this, guys, and this is the only way how you can do this, yes? If it works, please let me know it in the comments. If you have questions, let me also know it in the comments, because I'm here to help you out. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.